Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning on the tools you need. Add screen recording to Control Center and make sure FaceTime can run uninterrupted. Once done, connect the iPhone to your Mac with a cable or ensure both are on the same Wi-Fi because QuickTime will mirror audio reliably that way. Launch FaceTime and join the call. Make sure Do Not Disturb is enabled so alerts don't interrupt. Now you're ready to capture both video and the FaceTime audio stream. On the Mac, open QuickTime and choose New Movie Recording. Click the small arrow beside the record button and select your iPhone as both the camera and the microphone input. This routes FaceTime audio into QuickTime. Once selected, press Record in QuickTime, then switch back to FaceTime and continue the conversation. Speak clearly and monitor levels on QuickTime to confirm audio is captured. If you need system audio only, confirm microphone choice. Otherwise, when you're done, stop recording in QuickTime and save the file to your preferred folder. Play it back immediately to verify both sides of the FaceTime audio are present. If sound is missing, unplug and reconnect the lightning cable, reselect the iPhone as the audio source in QuickTime, and check Mac system preferences for microphone access. Also make sure the iPhone isn't muted. One key troubleshooting tip: enable Do Not Disturb on the iPhone to avoid interruptions corrupting.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.